gentlemen from the media. I join Hassan in expressing joy, the invitation of our Western border in today's ceremony to sign the agreement, to exchange documents and maps. It's a happy day. I remember agreeing with Hassan at the end of 2004 and 2005, the beginning of the talks. And it's not often that foreign ministers begin talking about the delimitation and not being able to sign them, because they usually take time. So all of us feel very, and I feel very honored and privileged to initiate those talks and to sign them. As Hassan said, we have borders with neighbors, and we are both signatories to the International Treaty of the North Sea, and likewise its principles and procedures. And this agreement is an important milestone in our bilateral relations. Once the agreement is ratified by both sides, we look forward to beginning negotiations on our eastern border, which I hope will mark the same spirit of friendship and compromise on both sides. This reflects the good relationship between both countries. On all the big issues, Indonesia and Singapore mostly share the same views. We just come back from the successful ASEAN Summit in Thailand, where President SDY and Prime Minister Lee had an excellent bilateral meeting. But Hassan and I were able to work together to help further the ASEAN agenda. And I believe, looking ahead, against the backdrop of the global economic downturn, circumstances will encourage us to meet forces to work even closer together within the framework of ASEAN, furthering the cause of regional integration and ensuring that ASEAN relations always stay. The hard work has been in this agreement, the hard work has been done by the negotiators on both sides. I thank them, the Indonesian negotiators and Singapore negotiators, all the good work put in, and I congratulate you on an outcome on both sides. I feel very happy. This is the essence of a good relationship, where we work towards winning.